Oh yeah, what it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C when we back at it. You're with another slight video, man. Look, in today's video, y'all, we're just gonna be talking about what do I do to afford my 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye. All right. If y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. I guess this was somewhat of a sought out video. People asking me, hey, you should make a video on what you do to afford the, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna end up doing that. All right, y'all. So look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Like I said, man, you know, any little thing help. All right. So most of y'all probably already know what I do, but stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Let's get to it. All right, CEEFAM. So if y'all been supporting, if y'all been rocking since way back when, right, or even if y'all just now tuning into the channel, all right, as y'all can see, I'm in my Army uniform. All right, y'all. So with that being said, I do work in the military, in the Army, full-time, all right, and not part-time. No, full-time, 100% Army soldier. Okay. I'm a staff sergeant in the military. Obviously, I wasn't always this rank. I had to work my way from E1 to E6. All right. I know people that I came in with, right, and they still E4, still E5. Nothing wrong with that. You know, everybody have to take their own path. Everybody makes rank differently, right? So, you know, but yeah, I'm staff sergeant, almost 7 years in the military, y'all. So that's like my main. I'm not career wise, job wise, right? That's my main source of income, right? Like the military is what I do, is what I'm not saying I love, but I'm good at it, right? So I think every year or every 2 years, right, we end up getting a pay raise. So I'm not going to get on here, right, and be like, look, this how much I make, this how much, woo. Y'all can go on Google and look up how much I make, all right? It's not a secret to nobody, whatever, right? So that's that, all right? Also, y'all, obviously YouTube, all right? YouTube, I'm not saying it plays an important factor in me affording the Redeye, right? Because I mean, I make decent money off of YouTube, right? But it don't be like $1,000 every month. It don't be $1,200. It don't be like some YouTubers solely do YouTube and be good, right, y'all? That's where I'm trying to go, or that's where I'm trying to take it at, all right? So I don't want y'all to think, oh man, he rich off YouTube. No, that's not even it, all right, y'all? But I will say, like, my highest YouTube check that I ever seen was like $300 something. Literally, y'all, all right? That's just me being transparent. That's me being open with y'all. Like, that's literally it. And most of the time I put it right back into the channel. I don't, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, so I have the Army, which pays me twice a month. Cool. I have YouTube. All right, cool. That's another source of income, right? So we already talked about 2 sources of income, y'all, in less than 5 minutes, less than whatever. All right, so YouTube, the Army, all right. I also do investments, you know what I mean? Whether that's, you know, investments on Robinhood or crypto, right? So I do investments, small investments here and there, y'all, all right? It's always good to buy low, sell high. I don't know, whatever, right? So I invest, I do YouTube, I am in the Army, right? So that's already 3 sources of like income, all right, y'all? So I don't know if y'all watched my old video a long time ago, right? I used to do Grubhub, you know what I mean? Grubhub was a good source of income for me. Something that I was just doing a weekend, all right? If y'all new to the channel, right, go all the way back whenever I had my Dodge Charger RT and I was doing Grubhub, you know? And I don't know, every hour I'd probably make at least, you know what I mean, at least $20 an hour, you know? So if I'm doing that, $20 an hour for 5 hours, y'all, and that's minimum, you know what I mean? A minimum would be $20 an hour. So if I'm doing that 5 hours for $20 each hour, that's $100 right there, y'all. All right, so, you know, and I have savings, right? I have other things that, you know what I mean, whether it's retirement, whether it's this, whether it's that. All right, y'all. So I'm not just I'm not saying typical or stereotypical Army person that, you know, get the money and then I'll blow it, blah, blah, blah. People gonna come on the channel, right? They gonna think whatever they want. I'm not here to, you know, ensure y'all counting my pockets. And I'm pretty sure y'all not here to count my pockets, right? Y'all just curious, like, damn, well, he just turned 25. He's in the military. He's a staff sergeant. You know, he blah, 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 blah. Like, you know what I mean? So, yeah, y'all, it's never good to count the next man or woman pockets. Never. All right. So with that being said, y'all, like, yes, like those are really what I do. You know, whether it's Grubhub, extra income. All right. Whether it's investing, extra income, whether it's the Army, which is like I guess my main priority source of income, right? That's the bread and butter. That's where, you know, I get paid every 2 weeks, right? And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, and YouTube. All right, so all together, y'all, I really have 4 sources of income. 3 primary sources of income that's guaranteed every single month. All right. But then the 4th one is kind of on me, whether I want to go do blah 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 blah. I thought about doing Uber, or something like that, just for like fun, you know. But nah, I don't really need that. A lot of y'all probably thought, man, you know, he's in Colorado, he won't be able to afford it. Ooh, like I've heard all that craziness before, y'all. But y'all listen, I'm still buying mods. Like, you know, I have the carving tips that I gotta put on. I got those for still. All right, so I'm slowly trying to work towards like building the car up, building the channel and all that, right, man? So y'all just stay tuned, man. I appreciate all y'all for rocking with me, man. I appreciate y'all for staying tuned. I've had so many cars, y'all, and I brought so many cars to the channel. Challenger, Charger RT, ZL1, now Redeye. I don't even know what's next for me, y'all. I don't know what I could possibly get, what I could do to, you know what I mean? I'm gonna just keep going, man, bringing y'all videos and all that, man. So look, I'm gonna show y'all the car right quick, and yeah, we're gonna get to it, man. Appreciate y'all. Yes, sir. CEEFAM, I don't know what the hell been going on with this back right tire lately, dog. Like, sometimes it go to 20, sometimes it go to blah, blah, right? And I have to fill it up, I'll probably say every like 3 to 4 days, man. So I might have to go to a tire shop or something, or see the nearest dealership that can service Dodge vehicles, man. Because I have like it's like a wheel and tire protection thing, right? So I pay $100 and I can get, you know, a brand new set of wheels, brand new set of tires and everything. All right, so yeah, I need that instead of paying $200 for 1 tire or something like that. So I'm at this little air pump thing, whatever, y'all. I'm finna put some air in the tire, dog. I don't know what's wrong with my stuff, man, for real, but I need to shake back, man. Shake back. Oh, what's going on, man? Yeah, I know the feeling, man. Trust me, for sure. Yeah, man. I don't see this thing, bro. It look dirty right now, bro. Sheesh. You know, easy work right here. This easy, man. Yeah, this coming straight off the phone, y'all. So I don't know if the quality gonna be that good, but yeah, I'm gonna fill this bad boy up, man, to like 34, 35. You heard me? It's easy work. Well, I'm gonna put on 36, man. I don't know if the back ones, y'all, supposed to be like more PSI than the front ones, man, but hey, we gonna see, bro. We gonna get to it, man. Beautiful Fort Carson, man. Fort Carson is beautiful, y'all. I must say. Whoa, what's this, bro? Hold on, boy. Okay. So I don't think, man, the tire have a flat or nothing, bro. I really just think, y'all, it's primarily because of the weather, y'all. Like, the weather out here, it really fluctuates, man. It gets hot, then it gets rainy, then it get cold, then it get hot again, right? So obviously, you know, the air in the tire is gonna, you know, expand, or it's gonna like contract, right? So yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna just see, man. But yeah, the car, man, it's been treating me good, y'all. Everything's been straight, you know. Yeah, we getting to it, man. All right, CEEFAM, just now finished putting air in the tire, dog. You know, that's common. I guess that's common, man. Like, let's get to it. 3,900 miles on the whip. Whoa, why that bit saying 15? It probably didn't register yet. Hold on, boy. There we go. I don't see the air light on no more, so there we go. So yeah, man, that's a common thing with all cars, man, you know. So I don't never really feel bad whenever I gotta put air in the tire, man. It's a common error, common thing. So yeah, we finna just head home now, man. It's 10:30 in the morning, you know, July 2nd. Hope all y'all have a safe, you know, July 4th weekend, man. All that good stuff, you heard me? Yeah, we finna just get to it, but I'm gonna show y'all the carbon tips too, man, before we end this video off. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all, man, the car is good. Everything is, you know, copacetic. See the mountains and stuff back there, man. I'm at the shop vet. Finna slide out this thing, man. Yes, sir. Ooh. Yeah, I definitely want to show y'all like more, I guess, Fort Carson vibes, man, or more Colorado vibes, man. Be in the mountains, do some crazy stuff, man. Outdoor type stuff, you hear me? So stay tuned, man. Let's get to it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little pull, man, onto the highway, bro. Easy work. Shee! Yes, sir. But this car never gets like boring to drive, y'all. This car never gets boring, bro. telling y'all, never, ever, ever. Yeah, y'all see that, bro. Y'all see that, man. Big 797. I want to take the car to the dyno, man, just so I can see the numbers that it'll produce. I think it'll go anywhere between 705 to like 720. You know, I don't watch other YouTubers do it, so I definitely want to just take it there just for the experience, man. My first time at a dyno in the mainland in general, not only in Colorado, but in the mainland, right? So, yeah, man, like the vibes out here is crazy, bro. Vibes, man. But yeah, stay tuned, baby. Show y'all these carving tips whenever we get to the crib, and then yeah, we gonna get to it, man. All right, CEEFAM. So I must say this probably not the best place to record a video at, man. Look like I'm in the hood, low key, which it kind of is, but my apartments are like kind of right over there. But anyways, man, look, just wanted to show y'all the car, bro. The car, it's dirty, but it ain't filthy. You know what I mean? Just give y'all a little walk around. I don't care about the license plate, man. Like, people be blocking off the license plate and stuff. I don't care about that. You know, like I said, I am recording off my phone, so sorry for the wind noise. If anything, man, this was kind of like a just spontaneous video, man. Like, yeah. But yeah, let me show y'all the carving tips right quick, man. I got these for a great deal, bro. Just so y'all know it's real, man. Big dog, bro. Big dog right here, man. On me. Come on, man. Y'all see them things, man. I'm gonna save them for the video, man. Brand new, never used. Got them for a steal, man. So yeah, I'm gonna say that for the video, man. That'll probably be the next video, you hear me? Going from these bad boys right here, well, going from these little things to these, oh my god, look at the size comparison, bro. Size comparison is brave. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna probably be it for the video, man. Look, I just want to say, look, I'm definitely appreciative of each and every last one of y'all, bro, for sure, like 100%. Definitely want to get the car wrapped. Definitely got stuff planned. I want to get a front splitter too. I want to do all kind of stuff to this car, man. But look, I'm not rich, y'all. Keep hitting that subscribe button. Keep hitting the like button. Keep sharing. Tell y'all friends about C-Will Redeye. Shit, this not even C-Will Redeye. This our Redeye. You know, it was a journey, y'all. We came from Dodge Challenger V6, all right, all the way up to this, y'all. So sky's the limit, man. Never give up on y'all dreams. Never stop pushing forward, man. I promise y'all. You know, but look, without further ado, man, it's your boy C-Will. We done went over everything, my finances, what I do to afford the car, everything, man. Keep working hard. Y'all can get something like this or better. All right, so look, I holla at y'all, baby. Yes, sir.